जैसे धन्नास्मो मूढ़गतो हिरण्य एता, एता शब्द के द्वारा क्या कहते हैं? एता माने यह अंगुली निर्देश कर चुका है। देखो ये पशुजनी हिरण्य के सौभाग्य देखो, इसको धन्ना है यहाँ पर के द्वारा विस्मय उत्पादन किया। विस्मय समझते? देखो इनके जीवन धन्य है, यद्यपि ये लोग मूढ़गत होती अत्यंत निर्बोध बुद्धि है, किंतु देखो ये हिरण्य के भाव देखो कैसे, जहाँ नंदन पात्र विचित्र वेशम, नंदनंदन कृष्ण की जो है ऐसे सुंदर वेशभूषाओं को देख करके।
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Please check. Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Hare Bol. So how all animals like deers and lady deer and gents deer, they both are taking a darshan of Krishna. Akarana means the sounds of Venu. It's so much attractive whenever somebody hears that. So everybody hypnotized by the sounds of Venu. So hearing the sounds of Govind's Venu, the gopis could not live in their houses. Now is it okay? Please check. Gopis, they are hiding their feelings, whatever the feelings they have in their hearts, so they are hiding that, and but they are telling about the state of here deer. Hearing the sounds of Venus, Govind's Venu, Hirni and Hiran, the deer husband and wife, the Yugal Yuri, the pair of deers, they are running towards hearing that sound. Who will go first? Lady deer is going first. No. And look, by their eyes, so how they are taking darshan of Govind? By their eyes. They are worshipping by their eyes. Are you getting? There will be no wind. Please check. No wind there. गुरुदेव श्लोक नंबर कौन सा? श्लोक नंबर when Anurag so much increased and reached at the stage where there is no place to reach, but still it is increasing. This is called
क्या बोला?
It is called
विरोधाभास
Virodhavas Alankar, the adverse Alankar.
बढ़ने की जगह नहीं है,
There is no place to increase, but it is increasing.
संभव नहीं है।
It is not possible in this world.
एक गिलास पूर्ण, एक गिलास जो है
You take a cup of full of glass water,
उसमें भी थोड़ी सी एक ड्रॉप भी पानी
and
आप
if you put a little bit drop, so what happen? The water will fall down from the glass. So in the same way,
यहाँ यदि हो ये वो पानी उसमें ही समा जा रहा है।
but here,
नीचे
so here what if it is how it is possible that the water is coming into, you are putting the water into the glass, but it is not going out. So it is not possible here, but in the transcendental world this is the speciality, that there is no place of increasing anurag, but still it is increasing. This is called achintya shakti.
प्रकृति को परवश अचिंत सलक्षण और प्राकृतिक चित्त जगत में
In the transcendental world,
प्रकृति यही परिभाषा है।
so this is the definition of achintya.
अचिंत बोलूजे भावा
Achintya khaluche bhava.
कांस तर्जन और जजित वो अचिंत जो वस्तु जो है
So that achintya things
विचार जोड़ी और
which is not possible by understanding by wisdom and mind and heart.
अचिंत बोलूजे भावा कांस तर्जित न जजित प्रकृति को परिव वो प्रकृति इस माया की जगत के ऊपर की बात है।
This is ever this mic word.
इस माइक जगत में
In this
प्राकृतिक जगत में
in this mic world,
सीमाबद्ध का
everything is limited,
लिमिट और अप्राकृतिक
and
जगत
but
में
in the transcendental world, everything is
असीम अनंत का।
unlimited, which is infinite.
भगवान भी असीम,
Bhagwan is infinite.
हम भी असीम,
There his dham is infinite. Their parikar is infinite.
सब चिद वस्तु का।
So this is called the transcendental thing, the chid vastu.
उनके शरीर में तक भी सब चिदानंदमय शरीर है।
So-
देह देह में कोई भेद नहीं।
So their body is also transcendental. There is no difference between
के लिए क्या क्या
body and soul.
इंद्रिय
It is said for the Krishna.
कलन की जगत है। कृष्ण जैसे
Just like Krishna,
अपने सारे इंद्रियों के द्वारा
by his all senses,
कार्य कर सकते
he can do
हैं।
anything.
इंद्रियों के द्वारा
He can do anything by any senses.
आंखों के द्वारा देख सकते हैं,
He can see by
आंखों के
eyes,
द्वारा
खा सकते हैं.
ग्रहण कर सकते
He can see by eyes, he can
हैं,
eat by eyes, he can walk by eyes. In the same way, it is not only for Govind.
ये तो शब्द गोविंद
So I here this word is used for Govind, but
अवतार
all the incarnation of Krishna,
आदि में यही
they have this kinds of quality.
है। राम कहो, नृसिंह कहो,
Ram, Narsingh,
जितने भी अवतार
whatever, there are many of avatars, the incarnation of Bhagwan. This is applicable for all. They can do anything from any senses. So if you say that it is said Govind, so it is only for Govind. No, no, no. It is all for incarnation, all the incarnation of Bhagwan.
ये तो भी भगवान की
Even
सेवक सेविका है।
there are many kinds of servant and the parikar of.
सभी के लिए नियम
This is applicable for those also. They can also do the same thing.
इसका जीवन
So you have to understand this thing very nicely,
पुरुष सब रहा है।
because in the transcendental world, everybody are living there. They are Mukta Purush, and all have the Chidananda body, the Satchidananda body.
चिदानंदमय शरीर होने के
So that's because they have the Chidanandamay body, the Satchidanandamay body. That's why there is no difference between soul and body.
योग माया के द्वारा
Just because of Yog Maya we see,
हमारे भांति एक शरीर
so they have just a body like us. They have ear, eyes, hand, legs.
किंतु वास्तव
But actually, these all things are Satchidanand,
ज्ञान से वस्तु नहीं
and there is nothing like Hyansh. Hyansh what?
है। ज्ञान से शब्द तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the meaning of Hyansh?
यह वस्तु कोई नहीं है। इस जगत में
Here,
यह वस्तु है। यह माने जो
destroyable.
त्यागने के योग्य जो
So everything is destroyable, like giving up in this world. Here, like the mal means potties and everything we can,
क्या कहा जाता है?
and everything is giving up in this world, vanishable, which is for giving up. Are you getting
इस
it?
जगत में कोई ज्ञान
But in that transcendental world, nothing is like giving up.
दिखाई पड़ते रहते
It still we see like that. Oh,
हैं। इन्हीं योगमय
still we see the same thing, but actually this is Leela of Yogmaya. Just like Krishna,
किसी गोपियों के घर में गए, उनके
he went to some gopis.
मिठाई नहीं, एक कागज
He went to some gopis house, and if he didn't get the butter, butter.
पायखाना पेशाब का।
So he used to do potty and toilets there.
हमारे घर में ताजे ताजे मक्खन नहीं रखा।
So he used to say, "Hey, hey Gopi, you didn't keep the fresh butter for me." So he used to do toilet there, urination. He used to do urine there.
पायखाना करता।
He used to do potty there.
पायखाना पेशाब ये क्या हो गया?
So this urination and potty, this is giving up. Why? This is for.
सब ध्यान से उसको नहीं है।
But in the transcendental, nothing is like that. Just because of Bhagwan performing Leela, so according to Yogmaya, everything is arranged.
प्रमोद कराने के लिए
For Bhakta, giving the pleasure, these kinds of Leela is happening. This is called that all these all are transcendental things. So just because of Yogmaya, all the Leela is happening. So what is my mean to say here? So in the transcendental world, nothing is a thing like giving up, like tyanja, tyajya.
भिन्न वस्तु
Nothing is hateable
है, अपराध की
in that transcendental world.
यह तक भी कोई जीव जीवित मुक्त होकर के जब उस जगत में
Even anybody, person, when he liberated from this world to that world, so they got the transcendental body.
कृष्ण के भांति समस्त अंगों के द्वारा समस्त कार्य
So just like Krishna, they can do anything by
पौधे आदि
by anything from any senses, just like Krishna.
सब प्रकार सेवा के उपकरण इंग्रेडिएंट्स प्रदान करता
कौन प्रदान करता योग में?
कृष्ण सेवा के लिए
अच्छा।
उपकरण उपकरण माने
So so for Krishna's seva, everything will be arranged by Yogmaya or for Krishna's service.
पेड़ के फल पुष्प देते हैं
In this world, what we have seen, trees are giving fruits, but in that transcendental world, all the trees can give anything.
है फल फूल तो देते ही
They can give fruits
और क्या देते हैं
and vegetables,
चाहे
but whatever you want, you can get from the trees in the transcendental world. If you want the clothes, you can get that.
जैसी गोपियां
Just like Gopi, they were taking the shower, bath in Yamuna at the time of winters. After taking bath in Ganga,
वस्त्र पहने
in Yamuna,
तो गोपियां दूसरी वस्त्र नहीं ले जाती
so the Gopiya was not taking the
जैसे काल का
Gopiya was not carrying another cloth. So what happens? They were asking the trees, give us cloths. So
वो वृक्ष आदि भी
so the trees were providing the cloths to them.
अनुसार है, वो वृक्ष क्या कर देते हैं
So this is all things arranged by the trees for gopis.
ब्रह्म संचय ब्रह्म
So it is mentioned in the Brahma Samhita.
वर्णन स्वयं अमृतम कथा गानम नाट्यम गमनों की वंशी है चिदानंदमय धाम
Because this is transcendental world, the Chidanandamay Dham,
इसलिए हम वस्त्र
Gopi is thinking that we have carrying the vas with us, but actually they are not carrying anything. Whatever the cloth they have put on, only they have like that cloth only.
हम स्नान करने के लिए
After when we go to take bath, so we one cloth we put on our body and the second we used to keep for after taking bath. So but Gopi is not doing like this.
देख रहा था
I was seeing the YouTube yesterday.
गंगा में स्नान कर
Gurudev was taking bath in Ganga.
है गुरुदेव भी
So Gurudev was carrying one gamcha and carrying one gamcha and one he is putting on his body. And after taking bath in Ganga, so he washed his gamcha and he took another one.
उस जगत में गोपियों की
So they have to in this world we have to carry everything, but in the transcendental world nothing, no need to carry.
उनके ये सब चिंता नहीं
But they are so much observed in the bhav that they don't worry about that
कपड़ा
that
दूसरी कपड़ा सुखा
that we need another cloth after taking bath. So
उस समय क्या करते
so at the time what they do,
वृक्ष आदि जो है
so
के तट में रहने वाले जितने भी
so all the trees which are residing at the bank of Yamuna, so according to the feelings of gopis,
सुंदर सुंदर
so the trees are providing the beautiful cloths to the gopis.
वस्त्र थे
Nirmal, the pious, impure cloths to the gopis. So gopis are thinking that I have kept on these cloths here last time.
इस मतलब ब्रह्म संहिता
So this is all mentioned in the Brahma Samhita. Srila Jiva Goswami described everything very nicely in Brahma Samhita. So the katha we were hearing,
ये देखो ये कहते हैं इसलिए ब्रजरम्या अपने प्रेम स्वभाव सुलभ और तृप्ति के कारण कृष्ण मिलन के लिए सदा सर्वदा बेचैन किसी भी प्रकार भी अपने चित्त को स्थिर नहीं कर पाए। चित्त स्थिर कर ले। जैसे इस जगह में बद्ध जी चित्त को स्थिर नहीं कर पाते, क्या करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ।
Because in this world we have seen the Badajiv is not able to stable his mind, what to do, what to not to do. We should we should work, we should keep on working, we should give up our job. So because in this mic world the Badajiv doesn't have the stability in his mind. Sometimes he thinks that I would like to be brahmachari, sometimes he thinks I would like to get married. So sometimes after living up the things, after giving up the family, we should I would like to be a brahmachari. So what is the meaning? Instability. So because this is the restlessness, instability of the mind, so gopis are also, the Braj Ramnis are always restless to meet with Krishna. So they are so much restless after taking the darshan of Krishna that they wants to meet with Krishna again and again. So restlessness is due to their inability to be satisfied.
के साथ जिनका किसी प्रकार से तनिक भी संबंध देखती है इसकी परम सौभाग्यशाली
So they consider anyone too who has even the sitting in their homes. No.
वो उनकी सौभाग्य मानते हैं और अपने
So if somebody has a little bit relationship with Krishna, so they think that they are so fortunate and they feeling themselves very ashamed. So they say, oh, we didn't take darshan of Krishna anytime. So that's why they are
ये अपने गोपियाँ जो अपने साथ
tulna. So they are gopis are comparing herself with the deer. Wi-
मजाती को
Actually, which is not comparable, but still they are comparing herself with the deer, and they are saying that these deers are so fortunate. Actually, they are nothing to compare, but still.
और कोई हिरण हिरणी पशु है, पशु के साथ मानस मनुष्य का तुलना
So deers are animals and gopis are human, but still they are comparing herself to the deer and saying that they are so fortunate.
ये हिरण हिरणी के देखो
Look at the deer and deers
इनके हृदय
being an animal body, but still how much fortunate they have. They have so much love in their heart. They are so fortunate.
वृंदावन में प्रविष्ट सर्वभूत मनोहर गोविंद का प्रेमनाथ श्रवण करके प्रेम में बैठी गोपियाँ प्रेम रस में मग्न हो।
So they consider anyone who has even uh,
मेरी पहली तक ये गोपियाँ
so I told you earlier
अभी वन में नहीं गई,
that Gopiyan didn't go to forest at right now.
उनके पति लोग
They,
बाकी गुरुजन लोग
their husbands and the Gurujan, they are denying.
हैं,
Don't go to forest. Please do not go out from the house.
उस समय गोपियाँ
At that time, gopis,
अपने अपने जो थे
according to group,
ग्रुप
yes, in their groups,
सजातीय सुनील संपन्न
in the Sajatiya groups, like-minded groups,
हैं, वो गोपियाँ
these
अपने
gopis,
युद्ध में बैठ करके हैं, वो अवर्णनीय माने कृष्ण की जो है मधुर कथाओं को भावों के जो है रूप माधुर्य वेणु आदि की महिमा वर्णन करना
so these gopis are in their like-minded people's group. What they are doing, they are describing the glories of Krishna, and they are taking a darshan by their feelings.
जैसे घर में बैठी है,
Gopis are sitting in their house,
कैसे दर्शन कैसे
but how they are taking a darshan?
भाव में
Just because of their feelings.
अपराध का चित्त
Actually, in the transcendental world, huh?
है, योग मैंने उनको दर्शन करा दिया।
So Yogmaya, your arrangement for darshan to them.
राष्ट्र के लिए
Just like before the Drashtas,
प्रसादी
Sanjay,
की कृपा से
by the mercy of Vyasadeva,
हस्तिनापुर से बहुत दूर
Sanjay
कुरुक्षेत्र में
from the Hastinapur, he was taking a darshan of Kurukshetra, where the battle was going on between Kaurav and Pandav. So he was Sanjay. So Sanjay was explaining everything there
उसी प्रकार
by the mercy of Vyasadeva. So in the same way, gopis
अपने गृह में
at their house, sitting there,
अपने अपने युद्धों की
so with their like-minded groups,
खरीद कर है,
they are taking a darshan.
बैठ
They are
करके ये सब कथा बोलते जाते
so they are describing this katha,
हैं। और भाव नेत्र से
and why
साक्षात रूप में मानो दर्शन
so by their bhav and by the mercy of Yog Maya they are
आप
taking
इस प्रकार
darshan.
है
So that's why it is saying here.
वृंदावन में प्रविष्ट सर्वभूत मनोहर गोविंद के वेणु
So while sitting in their homes, the gopis hear the flute song of Govinda, who steals the heart of all beings in Vrindavan.
आकर्षण करने वाले
So Krishna, who is attracting all the jivas, no, no,
कई नाम में
oh actually no, Venu,
आकर्षणी का है
who is attracting all the jivas, Venu.
गोपी आकर्षण
So Venu's another name is Gopi Akarshana,
सर्वभूत आकर्षण
Sarvabhoot Akarshana.
अनेक विचार होता है
So there are many kinds of views showed. There are many kinds of name of Venu.
गोपियां प्रेम रस में निमग्न हो रहे हैं
So gopis are submerged in prem ras.
गोविंद का वेणुनाद श्रवण करके गृह में बैठी गोपियां
So
प्रेम रस में निमग्न हो रही है तथा भाव नेत्र से बन की हिरोनियों की देख रही है।
So with the eyes of Bhav, they see the does in the forest not only abundant in grazing when they hear the sound of the Venu.
तथा बच्चों को लालन पालन सुख
So what they have given up everything and very so much eagerness. They are going towards Krishna and assemble there before Krishna after hearing the sounds of Venu. First they were describing the
अपने छोटे
deers.
छोटे बच्चों बच्चों को हैं? छोटे छोटे बच्चे
So there are little childs of deer.
उनको भी ममता त्याग देती है और ममता आदि त्याग दे करके बस कहाँ जा रही है गोविंद दर्शन के लिए।
Gopis.
गोविंद दर्शन के लिए उठे उसको देखो क्यों वंशी ध्वनि उनके कान में आज ये समझ हिरण में हो अथवा नहीं गोपियां अपने क्या करे भावों के दर्शन
So gopis are expressing their feelings. All actually this is
जगत में हम क्या
uh, this is situated in the deer's heart or not. But actually gopis are expressing like this.
तो हम मन मंदिर
So
में जाते
what
हैं
happened?
के पास जाते हैं
So if after finishing all our daily routines, daily works, we used to go to take the darshan of Sant Mahatma.
हिरणियों के दशा
But
को देख करके गोपियां
but seeing the situation, seeing the condition of the deers,
छोटे छोटे हिरण शिशु शिशु बच्चा बच्चा
gopis are expressing their feelings.
हिरण बच्चा हैं? उसको भी ममता छोड़ उनकी ममता किस में है? गोविंद अथवा कहो बोले गोविंद की वेणु की ध्वनि ऐसे सर्वांग
So the sound of the venus of Govind is just like it is attracting to everybody. It is sarvashak, just like a magnet. So
मैग्नेट क्या है
just like a big magnet,
अपनी तरफ
a big magnet always attract the irons towards itself. So in the same way,
वेणु ध्वनि
the sounds of the Govind Venu is attracting to all the deers.
इसलिए संसार की
So that's why they have given up all kinds of affection towards this world.
यहाँ पर करें अपने
So that's why here it is saying,
बच्चों का लालन पालन सब कुछ परित्याग कर बड़े तीव्र वेग से लोग उन्हें
so they have abandoned caring for their offspring and everything else as well.
खड़ी हो जाती है
They stand before Krishna so close. So these does dash towards Krishna with great speed, stopping so close to him that he cannot touch them with his hands.
इसलिए किस लिए करें
So why gopis are saying like this?
इसलिए करें
Because why they are comparing?
सानिध्य में बैठने की सौभाग्य
Because we never got the opportunity to sit beside Govind.
किंतु ये मूढ़ जात की कुछ
But these animal kinds of living animals like deer,
में जाकर के
so they are sitting beside Govind and standing before him.
कृष्ण पुरुष है
Krishna is the Purush.
शास्त्र में भी कहा है दुनिया पुरुष से
10, 21, 11.
व्यवधान रख करके रहे व्यवधान समझते क्या
Obstacles. अरे
दूर
अच्छा व्यवधान.
व्यवधान माने
दूरी, distance.
डिस्टेंस
Okay.
है, सावधान रह करके बैठे है। आज में इमरजेंसी समय में तो कोई भी बात नहीं, जैसे गिरिराज धारण कर लिया उस समय गोपियां पहली क्या की,
So what happened when Govind lifted the Giriraj, all the gopis were so close to Govind,
बिल्कुल जो है
well, very close.
से शरीर लगा
So
करके
they are touching with their body with the Krishna. So at that time, nobody was able to see anything. Just like we get on the trains. So there is so much rush in the train, so that anyhow you manage, and anyhow you can get into the train. So at that time, nobody says to you, maybe your body is touching to each other. Nobody says anything.
बैठी हुई है, उसके पास में जाकर ये बोलो, वो स्त्री क्या उसका थप्पड़ लगा देगी, बैठ जा।
So
है
in the rush, yeah, you can go anywhere. Means you can get on the train anyhow.
बिल्कुल जो है खचाखच
But when train is so much full of the people, there is no place to put your feet there,
है, बिल्कुल चिड़वा के भांति
and everything is just like so everybody is touching each other like rice. So in the same way, gopis are saying that at the time of lifted Govardhan, we were with the Govind like that same condition, same situation.
किंतु
But
गोपियां कर रही हैं, हम स्त्री जाति होने के नाते
so gopis are saying we are ladies, but we cannot sit beside Govind and stand before Govind. We always make a distance. But look at the state of Govind, these deers, because they are sitting very near to Govind.
और गोविंद क्या करती है,
And what Govind does with them,
वरद हस्त के द्वारा
by their beautiful right hands.
वह समस्त हिरण के पीठ पर
So they are pushing their hands on the back of deers. They are touching their backs.
हाथों से स्पर्श गोपियां वही
So these does dash towards Krishna with great speed, stopping so close to him that he can touch them with hands. See, the gopis express their mood in a concealed way, which is called Avahita Bhav.
कहने लगी, अरे सखी,
One says, O Sakhi, just see the affection that these
यो हिरनिया
does dash
योनि में जन्म लेकर भी
from the animal kingdom
दर्शन
have for Krishna.
वंचित है, ये तो मान
Indeed, they are blessed. We, on the other hand, who have taken birth as human beings, are deprived of taking such darshan and performing such seva, which are a human being's right. This is the frustration of our lives.
तो हम गोविंद के सन्निकट है आ जाए, और ना हमें कोई समालोचना करते थे, न कोई हमें कुछ है, ऐसी
So what the gopis are expressing their bhav, that if we are like animal kinds, so we goes to Govind very closely, so no one able to say anything to us. We can take the darshan of Govind and we can touch him, but because there is no foundation there. But in being in this lady form, we have some limitation and foundations. That's why these animals, these deers are so much fortunate.
के द्वारा
So that's why gopis expressing their bhav. By being this human body, it is not possible to take the association of Govinds. This is our misfortune that we are in the body of Gopi. When Vrijinandan Sham Sundar,
वो देखिए विचित्र वेश में सुसज्जित होकर
at the time of in the autumn, Vrijinandan Shri Krishna, beautifully decorated in
तथा आनंद के साथ मनोहर
marvelous attire suitable for roaming in the forest.
ध्वनि करते हैं, तब हिरनिया भुवन मनोहर श्याम सुंदर के रूप माधुर्य का दर्शन एवं वेणुनाथ श्रवण कर कृतार्थ हो जाती है। कोई सखी इस प्रकार कहने लगी, प्राणनाथ श्याम सुंदर की वेणुध्वनि के श्रवण पर जब ध्वनि का ये सुख होकर सफलित होती से अग्रसर होती है, तब उनके
Gopiyas are imposing.
आक्षेप समझते
Akshep. Achep means.
आरोप आक्षेप आक्षेप में अपने दुख प्रकाश करना
So gopis are expressing their
ये हमारे भाग में नहीं
their misfortune. Gopis are expressing their misfortune, that it is not in our fortune, it is not in our destiny.
ये आप इससे प्रकाश
What they are expressing.
ये देखो
Look,
हिरानी जब दौड़ने लगी
when deers were running towards going for taking his darshan, but behind that what?
हिरानी भी जा रही उसको अकेला कहाँ दे दे हम
Mm,
सब
he deers was also going with him, with she deer.
हम भी चलते हैं
We also go with you.
कौन करे हिरण भी
Pati. Though husbands of deer are saying that where you are going, we are also going with you.
क्यों जा रही है
So why are you going alone for taking Govind darshan? We also go with you.
उसकी कार्य है देखो हमारे पति जो है उसके विपरीत है
So but Gopi said, our husband is different from that deer animals, because one first they won't allow to let us go, but and after,
अरे घर में
and if we will go, so they won't come with us. They are saying you sit at home and just watch the TV.
घर में रहो
Stay at your home.
क्या करें
And what to do at home?
थोड़ा सा मंदिर में लोग
A little bit we should go to the temple. We should read a little bit Hari Katha.
विग्रह के दर्शन करके
We should take the darshan of Vigrah.
प्रणाम करके
We should do the offer pranam.
किंतु हमारे पति लोग क्या
But our husband, what are they saying? No, no need to go anywhere. Stay at home. Stay at your home.
तू जा
So wife is saying, okay, if I am not going, you go. Why are you not going?
ये बोले तू तो जा कम से कम
So okay, you go.
तुम भी मत जाओ मैं भी
So husband said, no, neither I will go, not I will allow to go.
तो यहीं पर कारण किंतु देखो ये हिरण की
So they are expressing, the gopis are expressing the stage of deers
और उसके पीछे पीछे
when the lady deers was walking towards moving towards Krishna, and the she gents deer, like he deers, they were following them.
हमारे घर संसार तब हमें अच्छा लगता है
Our family is,
सब अनुकूल
we like our family when everything is favorable for us. Our wife is favorable, our daughter is favorable, our son is favorable.
तन मन होकर के
So we like everything when everything is favorable. All the person are favorable for us. So this is called the Golok Vrindavan. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying.
गृह थे गुलो को भाई गगन सिंधु देखिए गंगा
Where everything is performing favorable for bhakti, so that house is called Golok Vrindavan. Everybody is one pointed performing Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva. So that is not just a home, this is Golok Vrindavan.
गोपियां करते हमारे गृह था नरक सभी
So gopis are saying our home is hell.
पति लोग तो जाती नहीं
Neither husbands go or nor us allowed to go. Gopis are expressing their feelings that our home is hell.
सांस ले ले अपने घर में कब तक बैठे
So how long we can stay at home? Let little bit we should go out.
घर में बैठा करो
At the time they are saying, husbands are saying, you should go, you should stay at home. Just like a lockdown, there is no need to go out. Everything will be provided by the government to your house.
जैसे चोर बदमाश
Just like the dacoits, the thieves, they also keep in the prisons.
छोटा जगह में उसको
They have to keep them. Government or the prisoners also keep them in the inspector keeps them in the prisons. In the same way, gopis are saying, husbands are not going. Please let us allow to go. We can little bit go out and take the darshan. But
जा रही है
the she deers are going, and he deers are chasing them. So what are the beautiful family they have?
इसे कहते हैं
That's why they are saying.
हिरण अपने पत्नी को अनुगत का शिकार कर लेते हैं एक विचित्र बात है
So this is the strange thing
बिहार में
in this world.
दुनिया पति के
The ladies,
अनुगत के शिकार करते
they get the shelter of husband.
हैं। हाँ सुनो।
Yes. So this is the nature of this world. After the marriage, the wife has to take the shelter.
अनुगत का शिकार करते
The wife has to take the shelter of husband. This is true. But
हैं। देखो ये हिरण
the he deers, he deers is taking the shelter of she deers. They are because they are chasing them.
है? समझ में आ रही कि नहीं?
Yes, yes.
है? देखो इन लोग के कैसे
So look at the fortune of them, these deers, because they are taking the shelter of lady deers.
उस प्रकार हिरण्यों को कृष्ण के साथ मिलन की कोई बाधा नहीं है।
So that's why there is no obstacles in meeting with Krishna.
कृष्ण सार का तात्पर्य है कि कृष्ण ही एकमात्र उनके जीवन के सार है। यहाँ पर कृष्ण सार कहने की
So Krishna Sar means.
अर्थ बताया।
So what is the meaning of Krishna
एक
Sar?
हिरण होता है इसके कृष्ण सार नहीं होता।
One kinds of deer is there which is called Krishna Sar deer, which their complexion, this his complexion is Krishna Varna.
उनके चमड़ा जो है
Their skins
चमड़ा बहुत पतले होता है।
is very thin.
देव कहते थे
Gurudev used to say
महीने की
at the time of Ashad kya?
सूर्य के ताप से
At the time of summer, so much heat, they get so much wound on their skins.
इसलिए ये कृष्ण सार मृग जो है
So that's why this kinds of
ज्यादातर बाहर
Krishna Sar's deer, they cannot go out. There are so many forests, deep shadow. Only only that place they can come out from the shadow.
शास्त्र में ऐसी
It is mentioned in the scriptures,
के दर्शन करने
the darshan of Krishna Sar Mirag, taking darshan of Krishna Sar deer, your life will be successful. You will got so much fortune. You will get money and everything, whatever you want. After taking a darshan of Krishna Sar Mirag, Krishna Sar deer.
सार मृग
Because this Krishna Sar deer, who has a complexion like Krishna, which is called Krishna Sar Mirag.
दर्शन के हिरण के
So if somebody take that kinds of darshan of that deer,
अनेकों धन
so they will get so many monies, so much fortune. So it is very auspicious to take that darshan of that deer.
सार कृष्ण सार कहने की दर कृष्ण ही जीवन की जो सार कर
And another thing of Krishna Sar meanings, who the essence of Krishna's only is life. This is called Krishna Sar.
जीवन की सार क्या है
Whose essence of life or whose target or object of life is Krishna only.
तात्पर्य
So this Krishna Sar meanings, and Krishna is one and only their target, their object.
की कहने लगी
So hearing this, the another Sakhi saying, this is true. Sakhi, hearing this, another Sakhi says, oh friend, this is really true.
स्त्री जाति के
We are the,
बात क्या है
where is our such fortune? We are the females and the wives of other men, so we cannot abandon the fear of public opinion. When Sham Sundar,
प्रेम कहाँ है
we don't have love for Krishna.
प्रेम होते
If we have love for Krishna, so we can abandon all kinds of shame and every shyness.
अधीन हो गए
We are actually took the shelter of other men.
इसलिए हम
That's why
क्या करें
what to do now?
प्रेम ऐसी वस्तु होता है प्रेम कोई विधि के है लेकर के
Love is kinds of thing which there is no rules and regulation.
यदि किसी दिन श्याम सुंदर गोचारण के लिए हम लोग के गृह के निकटवर्ती मार्ग से गमन करते हैं तो हम उस समय हम किसी प्रकार
When Sham Sundar goes cowherding on the path that runs by our homes, we can only get darshan of him through the holes in the latticed windows.
बाधा उत्पन्न करते हैं
For this only our family members abuse us and create obstacles for us. When Krishna goes for cow herding, window. So anyhow, we can take the darshan from the window of or the hole or from the house. We can take the darshan of Krishna. So when we take the darshan like this, so our Gurujan, our husband, they used to abuse us, and they used to abuse us, and they used to say, this is not the Nandaput, this is Nandaput.
क्या है
This is not Nandaput, this is not the son of Nanda, this is ghost.
करने से तुम्हारे भूत
If you take the darshan of Govind, that ghost will be come to your body.
इसलिए नंद के पुत्र नहीं है नंद
That's why he is not the Nandaput, he is a Nandabhut. It is not good to take the darshan of Bhut, ghost.
तो भूत तुम्हारे ऊपर
If you take the darshan of ghost, Bhut, then ghost will come to you.
ये लोग की
So that's why they are, always abuse us.
बाधा
They always make so many obstacles in taking darshan of Govind.
नाम की दुर्मद,
And their husband's name is Durmad.
इससे तो मानव जन्म की अपेक्षा मृग जन्म की साक्षात
So that's why they are saying.
जो कृष्ण मिलन की लालसा उत्तरोत्तर बढ़ती जा रही है, कृष्ण मिलन में उत्कंठा तथा
So the Braj Devis longing to meet with Krishna increase more and more.
प्रणयावलोकई,
So their eagerness and longings to meet Krishna is increasing so much.
और अपनी बड़ी बड़ी सुंदर आंखों से प्रणयपूर्वक अवलोकन कर रही है, वे नॉन रूपी प्रदीप दीपक
So the
के
gopis
आरती उतारती है और कृष्ण भी उनकी पूजा की शिकार कर रहे हैं। शिला रूप संसार
Srila Rup Goswami Pad
प्रणय की परिभाषा
कहाँ पे वर्णन कर रहे हैं भैया?
नायक और नायिका दोनों के हृदय जब अभिन्न हो जाए तब वो प्रणय होता है। आज हिरोनी का हृदय कृष्ण से अभिन्न है, इसलिए गोपी की प्रणय अवलोकन शब्द का व्यवहार किया है।
Shlok number is 10, 21, 11. Shlok number is 10, 21, 11.
पूजा सामग्री
10th chapter,
कृष्ण के अर्पण कर रही है। इस श्लोक में ब्रह्म जी
10th chapter, 21, नहीं 10th canto, 21 chapter, 11 number shlok.
के द्वारा प्रकाशित हो रहा है।
Very nice.
उत्प्रेक्षा अलंकार किसे कहा जाता है?
What is Upreksha Alankar?
अपने हृदय में जो रहता है,
So whatever you have in your heart and hide that and impose to other,
हमारे भाग
because it is not in our fortune. They are so much fortunate.
अलंकार शास्त्र
This is called, so in the Alankar Shastra it is called Upreksha Alankar, means
जैसे महाप्रभु
just like Mahaprabhu used to say,
न प्रेम गंध हरे धराए। भगवान श्री हरि के
Bhagwan Shri Hari, I don't have even a single drop love towards Bhagwan Shri Hari. Mahaprabhu is saying himself,
मछली को देखिए,
who is the embodiment of love. He is saying himself that I don't have love for Krishna, even a drop of water.
जल से उसके बाहर निकालो जो हिरण
So, machli, if you take out the fish from the water, so what happens? That fish will be die. Just for, this is the symptoms of love,
क्योंकि जल के साथ उनकी
because they have attachment or love towards water.
ना रहे, प्रिया प्रिय की संग बिना नहीं रह सकते, जीवित नहीं रह सकते।
So Priya, the lover cannot live without beloved. So this is their attachment, each other. They cannot live without each other.
प्रेम की लक्षण
This is the symptoms of love.
इस जगत में प्रेम है,
In this jagat, in this world, there is no thing like love. In this world, only lust is there.
केवल काम और
Lust is there only in this world. Nothing, anything like love.
इस संसार में प्रेम नहीं,
In this world, there is no love.
जगत में वो है सो
So whatever is going on here, this is all lust.
और ये काम दुखदायी होता
And this lust is very sorrowful, and the love is so much happiness.
है। इसलिए संसार के लोग,
So that's why in this world, the people so are suffering.
इसलिए ब्रजगोपियाँ क्या करेंगे?
That's why Braj Gopis are saying,
है कि प्रेम माधुर्य उत्प्रेक्ष अलंकार के द्वारा प्रकाशित होता है।
so they are increasing, they are expressing their love by Apreksha Alankar. I just describe a beautiful little katha. Just like a person who is so much fond of eating food,
है बैठे
he sit
खाने के लिए,
for eating.
है जो कुछ भी आ रहा है
So whatever is coming, so he is eating instantly. His plate is empty,
और उनके आमने सामने
and
दो व्यक्ति बैठे हुए
before him 2 persons are sitting.
हैं, उनके पत्तल तो भरा हुआ है मन,
If his pattal is full of foods and what he is empty, he is taking food so much speedily that his plate is empty. So the person who is serving, who is doing the parivation, he is coming again and again.
नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, इनको दो।
So they used to say, I don't need the pattal. The person who is sitting before that person, his plate is full of ingredients. So they are saying, no, I don't need giving to that person.
हैं? हम तो ऐसे कर देते हैं।
We used to say whenever parivation boy come to us, we used to no, we don't need.
जो खाने वाले हैं वो ऐसे ही करते
So,
हैं, नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, है मुझे नहीं चाहिए, माने मुझे चाहिए,
मुझे चाहिए. So the person who are eating food in the brush, they used to say, oh please give me more.
माने
and give them and give me also.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, Braj Gopis,
प्रेम माधुर्य की जो है गोपन करते हैं।
they are expressing their prema madhurya, and they are imposing to gopis that they are so much fortunate because we don't have a single drop of love. This is called the upreksha alankar. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. For Premanande Hari Hari Bol. हाँ गुरुदेव ओए बग आए गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. हाँ उपेक्षा आई जस्ट
आप इसको समझ
एक्चुअली इसमें मेंशन नहीं है. नथिंग इज मेंशन इज लाइक
अच्छा दिल्ली बात
that alankar, but is this upeksha alankar? Upeksha means whatever the feelings you have. Upeksha alankar means whatever the feelings you have in your heart, okay, and hiding your feelings, so you are comparing someone that he is very fortunate.
वो क्या हो
Okay.
लक्ष्मण के साथ अपराध कर उससे क्या होता है प्रेम करना वो क्या हो जाता है वो अपराध के फलस्वरूप को क्या होता है प्रेम पूरा करते बलदेव प्रभु ने किया उसको बलदेव प्रभु के कारण से किया उसके दुराचरित का ध्वंस कर आप बलदेव प्रभु के कारण से क्या होता है अपराध को ध्वंस कर दिया और प्रेम प्रकाशित किया वस्तु जहाँ पर रहते समय आने पर प्रकाशित जैसे देखो और भी उदाहरण वित्रासुर के वर्णन आ रहे चित्रकेतु महाराज स्पष्टीकरण चित्रकेतु महाराज महाभागवत अपराध किसके साथ कर दिया शिव जी के साथ और अपराध हो गया तो क्या बोले पार्वती देवी ने अभिशाप दे दिया या उसने वसुल को दे दिया तो वो वसुल में शिकार कर अच्छा देखो विकास असुर हो करके ऐसे स्तुति कैसे कर रहे हैं एक उसका भागवत में आ रहे हैं असुर पूजन में चले गए अपराध के फल से किंतु देखो ये पूर्व जन्म की स्मृतियां कभी नष्ट नहीं इसलिए तो कहा है ये वित्रासुर जब इंद्र के द्वारा वज्र के द्वारा जब उसके शरीर काट कर मरने के जा रहे तो उसमें इतने इतने सुंदर स्तुति गोविंद के लिए कैसे हो जाए तो इसी के परीक्षित महाराज प्रश्न कर रहे हैं ये असुर हो करके ऐसे कृष्ण को जो सुंदर स्तुतियां कैसी थी आप बताओ यदि इसके पतन हो जाते भक्ति भी
हरे
नष्ट हो
कृष्ण.
जाती। अपराध के द्वारा किया हो जाए भक्ति नष्ट हो जाती।
So if committing offense, your bhakti will be destroyed. So we have to understand this very deeply that what is the meaning of it.
और होने के नाते आप उसके मन के ले लेते हैं किंतु वास्तव तात्पर्य का हम समझ
So actually we are not getting the essence of the words. Bhakti never destroys. It is only covered.
ये विश्वास ऐसे
So Vitrasur, why Vitrasur doing this so much stuti? Because that's why we told his past history in the Shrimad Bhagavatam. Vitrasur, after the killing of Vitrasur, they are Chitraketu.
चित्रकूट महाराज बता रहे
They are telling the Katha of Chitraketu.
पहले विश्वासुर की कथा बनी
First, in the Shrimad Bhagavatam, Vitrasur Katha was described. So, hearing the Katha of Vitrasur, Parikshit Maharaj was astonished. So, he is the demon, and still how he is doing the stuti or stuff of Bhagwan. Would you like to write something? So, they got the remembrance of past times. So, whatever the people is saying, so whatever the kinds of they have understanding, so they are whatever they have understood, so they are expressing their views. But actually, bhakti is the transcendental thing. It cannot be destroyed.
ऊपर से पतंग आदि
So something is happening like downfall. It is just by the Yog Maya. Whatever we say here, Nashtona. Maya Vijvrint Leela, the illusion Leela. Maya Vijvrint Leela, this is illusion Leela. This word you all have to understand. Maya Vijvrint Leela, Mrs. Illusion Leela. So people cannot understand this thing. This is very easy. How Vitrasur can do the? He did so much offense. Chitra, Chitraketu Maharaj did aparad, offense, but how he got the demon's body? So, however, he got this body, we not saying about that. But according to his previous birth's consecration, his sanskar, he is doing the stuti. That's why Parikshit Maharaj is so much astonished that how a demon can do stuti like this. At the time of death, how he can do this stuti like this? Why he is doing? Then his history was told, Chitraketu Maharaj story, and he is the disciple of Sankarshan. Shivji, he is the god brother of Shivji. So everybody is reading scriptures, listening lectures. So whatever they have understanding, whatever kinds of understanding they have, so they are describing like that. So we have to understand it. So we have to note one thing keep one thing in our mind, that bhakti is transcendental. It cannot be destroyed. Even it can be covered, but cannot destroy. Anyhow, it can be covered, but it cannot be destroyed. It is mentioned in the scriptures. When the Mukta Purush is staying in this world, so they are tying by the Maya. Tying, bandhana. So Maya is covered them by Maya cannot touch them. Maya cannot touch the transcendental thing. So if we take the Siddhant, Maya is Mike. Oh, Maya is transcendental and Bhakti is transcendental. That's why. Maya is and Bhakti is transcendental. That's why Maya cannot cover the transcendental thing. Even if somebody gets even a single time Bhakti in his heart, so it cannot be destroyed. Because this is a transcendental thing, and there is nothing like vanish or destroy word for we cannot use for transcendental thing. Then what is the difference between mic and the transcendental? So first you have to understand this whatever the people is making you understand, you are understanding that only. You are not listening to me. Why you are not listening to me? What is the difference between mic and the transcendental? The mic thing has destroyable. These are destroyable, and the transcendental thing, there is no destruction. So bhakti is transcendental. Tell me, if you ask some question to anybody, first ask him what is the difference between mic and transcendental. The person who was saying to you bhakti is destroyed, bhakti can be destroyed. So ask him first question that what is the difference between mic and transcendental? Please tell me first. If he says like that, oh, transcendental cannot be vanished, so please tell him, oh, what is bhakti? Bhakti is mic, bhakti is transcendental. So there is a destroyable things of mic, and the transcendental thing doesn't have like this destruction. So bhakti is transcendental, that's why nothing is destroyed. It cannot be destroyed. So you have to understand these things. If you come to the principle, Siddhant, then you should understand this. Wherever this word is used, nasht, bhakti is destroyed. So this is just like the mull of word. We are not saying, scriptures are saying this. Okay. So that's why Rupa Goswami Pad showed this. Khanji Krishna Das did the aparad in the feet of Rupa Goswami Pad. So Rupa Goswami Pad to Nitya Parikar hai. So this was just Leela. Actually, Rupa Goswami Pad committed an offense, but actually he is a Nitya Parikar. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad suggested to Rupa Goswami Pad, you do feed to all the Vaishnavas. So that's why he met with Khanji Krishna Das and told that I was remembering the Leela, that's why I laughed. Then Khanji Krishna Das was served by Rupa Goswami Pad. and then he remembering the Leela. So this is just for a lesson. So you have to understand here this there is no vanishment of the transcendental thing, and the mic things always vanished. Bhakti is transcendental. So how bhakti can be destroyed? Is vanishable. So the people who are telling you, so you have to ask him first. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect it. Hare Krishna. So first you have to take the things that what is the difference between transcendental and the mic things. Mic things always destroyable, but still if we say if we according to science if we say some things that the science is saying there is nothing vanish anything is nothing vanishable, everything is changeable. One thing is changing or converting into another thing. If the person who are studying science, they used to say like this. So if we say the material things, the mic things are vanishable, but actually there is no vanishment of that things. It is all transferring, it is all changing. If you put the paper into the fire, so what happened? Ashes, राख बन गया. So the paper becomes carbon, ashes. So the paper is converting into ashes in the carbon. So the thing is changeable. We are not saying. Science is also saying this. If you say that something is vanished, actually no. There is nothing like vanishment. Everything is changeable, according to science. Even mic thing also. So in the same way, if we talk about the transcendental thing, there is nothing like vanishment of transcendental things. So first you have to understand this principle. And the mic things have the vanishment, destroyable. Chalo, yeah. Our bhakti is transcendental. So if somebody commits any kinds of offense, so bhakti covered by that. So here is the question also. If somebody performing bhajan and he has left his body and he reached the stage of nishtha ruchi asakti, so he will start from the asakti. So bhakti never destroy, but if you in this material world, if you give up the body, so you will start from the down. First you will start walking, then you will when you take the birth. So in this matter you have to take birth, then you have to take how to walk, how to feed. So everything you have to learn again and again. But in the transcendental world, now you are doing everything. You are at the time now you are doing so many things like you are eating, walking, sleeping, whatever you are doing so many things. But when you give up this body, so everything you have to restart. But bhakti is not like that. In the karma marg and jnana marg, there is a chances of fall down. So in the karma marg or jnana marg, if there is fall down, then you have to start again from the first step. But in the bhakti marg, who are performing the bhaktis, so neha, Pahato Bahat, yes, Neha Vikramavatto. This is the specialty is Bhakti Mark. So wherever you are at this stage, so you will get the same stage at your next birth. So you have to make your sanskar impression. Bhakti never died. Bhakti is also covered. So this is a specialty of Bhakti. Bhakti never destroyed. Bhakti is transcendental.
और शास्त्र में जहाँ जहाँ पर लिखा है इसकी भक्ति नष्ट हो गया है, ये सब शब्द की ना समझाने
गुरुदेव, अपराध के द्वारा कब तक भक्ति कवर्ड रह सकती है, ढक सकती है?
जब तक अपराध नहीं नष्ट नहीं
अब वो कैसे नष्ट होगा फिर? वो उसी के द्वारा।
है,
अब जैसे हमें
अपराध हुआ उसकी कृपा से अपराध नष्ट हो जाएगा। और दूसरी चीज आपकी पता नहीं है किसके जन्म अपराध हुआ, नाम के द्वारा।
okay, if you don't know that with whom feet you have did the aparad, so what, and you are not able to recognize this person because we are committing so many offenses. So by chanting the holy name, by the mercy of Nam Prabhu, that aparad will be destroyed. So Nam Prabhu will forgive you. So this is the mercy of Nam Prabhu. So how long it take? It is not how much time वो निकाल दो. How much time you will take for getting rid from aparad? So it is only known by Krishna or Guru or Vaishnava. We don't know about this. We cannot clarify. It is not, no one can clarify this, how long time you will take. So this is the mercy, by the mercy of Nam Prabhu, because we have committing so many offenses with the feet of Vaishnava and Guru, and knowingly or unknowingly. So that's why by the mercy of Nam Prabhu, if we chanting holy name again and again, so now by the mercy of Nam Prabhu, because Nam Prabhu is so merciful, so we will get get rid of our offenses. ठीक है? गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल. Any question? So you can ask. हरे कृष्ण. ठीक है, गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल.